Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Eraswap Cloud provides a decentralized network and peer-to-peer network for storing and sharing data in a distributed file system. Eraswap Cloud is a private network protocol based on IPFS where users can buy and sell unused storage using Eraswap tokens. The unique part about Eraswap Cloud is that you only pay for the storage you are using. It doesn't charge you for unused storage. Unique features of Eraswap Cloud. It's secure and private. It's distributed. It's decentralized. It's fast. It's transparent. dapps integration. Pay-as-you-use feature. Now let's learn how to use Eraswap Cloud. How to log into Eraswap Cloud. Step 1. Go to Eraswap Cloud website and click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file / access through mnemonic / private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3. There are 3 ways to load your Eraswap Wallet. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to Eraswap Cloud. Let's look at the home page now. You can scroll down the page for more information. Here are steps for how to join ES Cloud Network as a host. You may click on the drop-down arrow of every step to understand the process. Here are some features mentioned of Eraswap Cloud. Now let's see how to upload files on Eraswap Cloud as a renter. Step 1. Click on the Upload Files button. You will see all registered hosts here on the page. You can check their hosting details by clicking on See Details link and then choose any host by clicking on the Go to Here button on the respective host. Step 2. Now you will get a page for Upload File. Click on the above Upload File button to select your files to upload, or you can also drag and drop file as shown in the screenshot. Once the selected file is uploaded, it will reflect here, with the same file name saved in your system. Then again you have to click on the Upload File button at the downside for the final selected upload image. After clicking on Upload File, this pop-up will get open. 1 ES for 1 file for 1 month. You can enter any ES amount fee here as per your requirement. I have entered 1. Then again 1 ES transaction confirmation pop-up window will get open. Select the Yes, Do It button for process further / confirm the transaction. You will get a pop-up notification for transaction confirmation with transaction hash. Click on OK. Then your file is successfully got uploaded on Eraswap Cloud. You can check your uploaded files in the See Recent Files options. Select correct host. You can open a particular file by clicking on the Open option as shown in the screenshot. Once you click on the Open option for your particular file, your file will get open with the link like this. If required, you can copy this IPFS file link and share it with anyone so that they can see your file directly. Also, you can renew, remove and raise a dispute by clicking here as shown in the screenshot. Let's look at the host page now. If you have already had any hosting approved by admin, then you will be able to see your all hosting here on the left side. You can see your current month earnings here and also can check previous month's earnings. You can also track your active files of a particular hosting. You can download CSV Excel by clicking on the Download CSV button. Also, you can do a hard refresh on blockchain and can see the latest files update of blockchain upload via clicking on the refresh button. Greater than here you will get one pop-up for confirmation. Greater than click on Yes, Do It button. Else if you don't have any, then page will look like this and it will ask for Join as Host. You can click on Join as Host button you want to connect as a host. Let's look at the Join as Host page now. For better understanding, You may refer to this demo video named how to register your instances and how to store files in Eraswap Cloud Network. It is available on Eraswap YouTube channel, link is in the description. After clicking on the Join as Host option, you will get this page. Please follow all 8 steps properly, and then click on the Next button. Provide all details correctly as required here. You can use the Markdown option link for right description. Then click on the Submit button. One pop-up window for confirmation will get open. You can click on the Yes, Do It button here. Then click on the Confirm button if you have logged in via MetaMask, otherwise you will not get this window and your transaction will get confirmed automatically. Now you will get a transaction hash. You can check this transaction by clicking on the transaction link. Kindly copy it and save it somewhere and then click on the OK button in the pop-up window. After clicking on transaction hash, your TX hash will look like this on Eraswap info website. Once we have successfully applied for Join a Host, now we have to wait for Faith-admin approval. If everything is fine with the host registration, you will get approval. You can also ping on Telegram channel for approval https://t.me/eraswap. You can check the status of your application via clicking on the admin button. Do not forget to reach out people once listed. Please note that Eraswap Cloud is a decentralized storage network and it do not collect customers' data to reach them. You should share your hosting server links on your own so that interested people use their ES to store. You can also do the marketing on a decentralized social network, Swappers Wall, or you can offer promotional incentives to Eraswap community to promote your listed asset. In Admin panel, you can check all disputes status. Click on the Dispute button here. You can check the status of the raised disputes files. Start storing your data securely on Eraswap decentralized cloud from today onwards and keep your data safe and secure on Eraswap blockchain network.